Welcome to SaaS Beast Pro, the place where we decode the most complex advancements in artificial intelligence to help you build a powerful digital future. Over the past week, I have personally sat down and tested dozens of free AI image generators to find out which specific ones actually deliver professional, high-quality results without ever asking you to pull out your credit card or sign up for expensive monthly subscriptions. Most beginners in this space get stuck almost immediately because they simply do not know which tools offer the best creative control versus which ones are just limited toys for basic projects. In this comprehensive deep dive tutorial, I am going to walk you through 3 incredibly powerful and completely free platforms that I found to be the most reliable and efficient in 2026. We are going to change the order of things today to show you the full range of power available. We will start our journey with a professional-grade interface for deep manual control. Then we will move to a lightning-fast generator that requires absolutely no account. And finally, we will look at a very simple tool for instant and easy results. Let us begin our exploration with our first tool, which is the industry favorite, Stable Diffusion. We are going to access this power through the official Dream Studio web interface today. I want you to open your preferred web browser right now and navigate directly to the Dream Studio website so you can follow along with every single step I am about to show you. This platform is widely respected by professional digital artists because it does not just guess what you want, but it follows your specific instructions with incredibly high precision. Now, before we start generating our first piece of art, I need to mention a very important technical detail regarding the usage limits of this specific platform. You should know that Stable Diffusion through the Dream Studio interface is not completely unlimited for free users. Like some other more basic tools you might find online, you actually receive a strict daily credit limit of exactly 20 credits to generate your high-quality images. This means you should plan your descriptive prompts very carefully to make the absolute most of your daily free allowance without wasting credits on mistakes. Now that we are inside the main dashboard, I want you to locate the prompt input area, which is usually the large empty text box visible on the left or center of your screen. Go ahead and click inside that box so you can start typing the detailed description for your very first image generation of the day. Take a brief moment to ensure your cursor is blinking and active before you begin entering your specific artistic keywords for our first fresh jungle theme test scene. I want you to type a very fresh and highly detailed prompt to test exactly how well the AI handles complex natural lighting and dense foliage textures. Please enter the following phrase into the box. A lush, deep jungle at sunrise. Golden sun rays piercing through giant ancient trees, exotic colorful birds flying through the canopy, hyper-realistic 8K resolution. Once you finish typing that long descriptive sentence, go ahead and click the bright Generate button to start the intensive rendering process immediately. Now we must wait patiently for a few seconds while the AI processes our complex request and builds the intricate textures of the jungle scene from scratch. While the system works, notice how Stable Diffusion excels at creating realistic atmospheric details like the soft morning mist and the vibrant, lifelike colors of the exotic birds. The wait is always worth it because the final output often looks much closer to a professional photograph than a simple digital drawing you might get elsewhere. Take a close look at the right side of the interface where you can see the advanced settings for image size and aspect ratio controls. I want you to select a larger image size by clicking on the custom dimension settings to see how the level of detail increases significantly. Choosing a larger output size often results in much sharper textures and more clearly defined backgrounds for your final professional render, though it might use more of your daily credits. One of my absolute favorite features in this specific tool is the variation generation, which automatically gives you at least 2 or more versions of the same prompt at once. You can choose the specific version that best matches your creative vision, and then use the built-in image-to-image editing tool to refine small details like the density of the sunlight. This step-by-step refinement process is exactly why this professional tool is a top choice for serious creative projects and concept art. If you feel that Stable Diffusion is a bit too technical or slow for your current daily workflow, our second tool is going to be much easier for you to handle. Please take a quick look at this next platform, which prioritizes extreme speed and easy accessibility above everything else. This tool is perfect for those creative moments when you have a sudden idea, but you do not want to spend any time configuring complex technical settings or menus. Our second powerful tool for today is Perchance AI, which is a fantastic resource for quick brainstorming and rapid concept generation for any visual project. Please open the Perchance AI website in a new browser tab right now so you can see the massive difference in interface design compared to our first tool. You will notice immediately that the layout is very clean, and you do not even need to create a personal account or provide an email to start generating art. Once the site is fully loaded on your screen, locate the simple prompt box and let us enter another mysterious jungle scene to test the processing speed of this engine. Type a mysterious jungle temple covered in thick green vines, a small waterfall nearby, soft cinematic mist, high detail. After you finish typing that prompt, go ahead and click the Generate button and prepare to be surprised by how quickly the images appear on your screen without any delay. Perchance is truly amazing because it can generate up to 6 different interpretations of your prompt simultaneously within just a few short seconds. Take a moment to scroll through the generated images and notice the cinematic atmosphere and the moody lighting of the hidden jungle temple. While this tool focuses on simplicity over deep control, the results are often good enough to use as a professional starting point for your creative concept art or social media posts. Before we explore our final and most user-friendly tool, please take a quick second to subscribe to SaaSbeast Pro if you find these AI tips and tutorials helpful for your journey. We regularly share these deep dives into the best free AI resources to help you stay ahead in the rapidly changing world of digital technology. Now let us move to the easiest image generator on our list today, which is absolutely perfect for beginners. Our third and final tool is Bing Image Creator, which is now powered by the latest and most advanced DALL-E technology from the team at Microsoft. This tool is widely considered the absolute easiest way to enter the world of AI art because it works perfectly with simple, natural language instructions. Open the Bing Image Creator website now, and you will find a very straightforward interface that allows you to focus purely on your creative ideas instead of technical menus. Locate the text area at the very top of the Bing interface and let us use another jungle-themed prompt to keep our comparison fair across all 3 tools today. Click inside the text box and type, "A tropical jungle with a calm river, sunlight reflecting on the water, lush green plants, realistic photography style." After you have entered that descriptive prompt, go ahead and click the Create button to see what the DALL-E engine can do with this scene. While the AI works on your new images, you will notice that Bing usually gives you 4 unique variations every single time you submit a request. Take a moment to look at the results and observe how well the AI captures the reflection of the sunlight on the calm river water and the vibrant green tones of the tropical plants. Bing is exceptionally strong at understanding the general mood and composition of your scene with very little effort from your side. If you want to push this easy tool even further, you can try adding more specific objects like a wooden boat on the river or even a small bamboo hut among the trees. Let us click back into the text area and add a request for a small wooden boat resting near the shoreline of our jungle river. This will test how accurately the AI can place new objects into an existing landscape without breaking the overall realism of the image. Go ahead and click the Create button one more time to generate the updated version of our tropical jungle scene with the added boat. You will notice that while the lighting and the forest remain beautiful, the more complexity you add to the scene, the more you might see small details that are not quite as sharp as the ones in Stable Diffusion. However, for a completely free and easy tool, the quality remains absolutely impressive for most daily users. These 3 free tools provide an excellent starting point for anyone looking to experiment with AI-generated landscapes and professional art in 2026. I hope this guide helps you choose the right platform for your next creative project. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your favorite tool in the comments. Thank you so much for watching SaaS Beast Pro, and I will see you in the next tutorial.